Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am sharing my Christmas hot cocoa coffee station as well as a kitchen Christmas decorate with me. So first off, in my little coffee station area, I'm starting with a clean slate. I've been preferring to keep things pretty simple for the last few months or so. So I'm starting off with this little wood slab, and I'm adding this little glittery pine plant that I just picked up from Home Goods. And then I'm adding my small apothecary jar and filling that up with some cocoa and cappuccino K-cups. And then I just have this little milk jar that I am adding some ribbon to for an extra touch. It's gold and white. And then I'm putting my copper stir sticks in here. I got these on Amazon and they are seriously the best. And then I am adding this little house that I just picked up from the Target dollar spot. I loved these houses. There's 3 in the collection. And then I have this little vintage Santa mug that I am adding and putting in some of my favorite peppermint sticks. I pick these up every year from the Dollar Tree, and I love using them as stir sticks in my coffee and cocoa. They are so delicious. Here's another Target dollar spot find from this year, this North Pole reindeer sleigh ride sign. I am just using a command hook sticky part to hang it up on the wall. And then just for an extra touch, I am adding one of my favorite mugs to my Keurig. I'm very happy with how this little corner came out. It's simple and festive, but without being too cluttered. Next, I am moving over to my sink area. I have these little cafe curtains that I made out of napkins. I like to switch these out seasonally. I had the buffalo check up for fall, and I decided to do these really pretty plaid ones for Christmas time. I like to use old candle holders to hold my little Scrub Daddy sponge by my sink. And then I'm just adding a festive soap as well. I picked up a couple of these wreaths from the Target dollar spot this year. They had some really pretty ones. They come with these little black and white ribbon on them. I just took these off and decided to add my own ribbon. So I knew I wanted to hang this simple pine one above my window. I got this white satin ribbon from Walmart the other day. I was going for a very simple kind of vintage vibe with this. Then I'm going to add some decor details over on my kitchen island. I have a frosted cranberry candle from Bath & Body Works from a few years ago. I love the marble detailing on this lid. I had already started burning it. This is one of my favorite Christmas scents. And then above my island, I have this little plate rack. I'm not sure that I love this, but it's here right now. So I decided to add just a couple of decor details on here. And that is going to be it for my kitchen decorate with me. Like I said, I've been liking to keep things more simple and uncluttered lately. I hope you guys enjoyed and got maybe a little bit of inspiration from this. If you love home decor, DIY projects, and organization, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.